Welcome. In this video, I'm gonna tell you how to divide multiples of tens using long division of whole numbers. So let's work out a few examples. So for example, let's say you have 2500 divided by 100. You can simplify the way you do it by first canceling out the zeros, how many zeros you have on the left side with how many zeros you have on the left side to the right side. For example, you have 2 zeros here, you can cancel 2 zeros here. So the division becomes 25 divided by 1. So I get rid of the zeros and I'm left with 25 divided by 1. What's 25 divided by 1 is 25. So that's the first example, 25. So 2500 divided by 100 is 25. Let's say you have something like 2220 divided by 11. So this is a multiple of 10. So, but this one is not. I cannot cancel any zeros. But what I can do is this. I can take the first two digits and divide it by 11. So 22 divided by 11 is 2. And I'm left with a 0. So that 0 becomes here, 20. So 220 divided by 11 is 20. We can do similar examples. For example, 30. Let's do 280 divided by, or let's do 2270 divided by 3. So there are no zeros, I cannot cancel, but this is a multiple of 10. So what I can do is I take these two and then I divide by 3. So 27 divided by 3 is 3 times 9, 27. So 9 be 9. We're left with a 0. So that 0, you just put it, bring it down and put it on the front. You got 90. So 270 divided by 3 is 90. Let's do one more example. Sometimes you're gonna get less zeros on the right side, so you have to only cancel only as many as you can. So for example, let's say you have I would do 3400 divided by 20. First of all, I only have 1 0 here, so I can only cancel 1 and 1 here. Then I'm left with a division 340 divided by 2. I don't have any more zeros and I cannot cancel any more zeros. But what I can do is I can take these two and take the 34 divided by 2. It's 17, and I'm left with this 0. So this 0, I bring it down. So the final answer is 170. So 3400 divided by 20 is 170. So that's all I wanted to show you in this video. I'm showing you how to divide with multiples of 10 using long division. But instead of going through all the steps of long division, all you have to do is first cancel zeros if there are any. If not, then just divide with the divide part of the part of the left side with the right side. Get an answer, and then finally do just bring down zeros, as many as you have to. That's all I wanted to show you. Thank you very much.